We've been around Sydney's Luddenham Raceway, in Lachlan's S2000 and Logan's 120Y. Both times we get messages and comments from people saying, great racetrack, we'd love to see more. What better way than to have one of Australia's true gentleman race car drivers take us for a lap and describe the circuit. It didn't take Pete long to get distracted, so now on this episode of Grassroots Garage, we're checking out Ron Goodman's daily, the Porsche Cayenne GTS, on a racetrack, with a Porsche 996 parked up, a race car, at a racetrack, and Pete's in the gem filming an SUV.
Now, I've been told to go slow for this lap.
That's right.
This is turn one.
Turn one.
Usually in the Cup car, we're coming through here in third gear. We let the car roll out here to the ripple strips. I try not to hit them, but it's a good idea to hit them, then you know you've got the best turn in. Now your eyes, I'm looking up at the corner up there. Nice tight apex, gives me a nice run up to it. Run to this outer ripple strip, and once again, as I look around the corner where I want to go, the car naturally comes into the perfect apex so I can get on the accelerator and bring it all the way up the straight here. Now this right-hander is absolutely awesome. We can put our foot down flat out, third gear in the Cup car, just nick the apex there, the car will just slide out to this side here. Up here really hard on the brakes here, you pull yourself up, turn into the corner, pick up the apex, hit the acceleration for that split second, gives a little blip down there, drop into what they call the corkscrew, Australia's own corkscrew, a nice left-hander. Nice hard on the accelerator down into the last corner. Once again, as you pull around, you pick up the apex, and I'm looking up the straight already, right up there. Let the car have its head, it slides out to here, and it naturally wants to go out into there. You just let it sit out here, it'll come back in, and it'll just miss the wall there. That's alright, doesn't it?
Oh, yeah.
And what, that's like 2014 model? Even the Cayenne goes good. Front wheel loss of grip, slows me down instead of using the brakes. And on these corners you always left foot brake, or I do anyway. Makes it a lot easier in the car, you can give it a bit more attitude. A bit too much there. See how the car just slides out the edge there.
Perfect. Back into the pits. Thank you,
go.
Ron.
Lap of Luddenham.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's probably dirty. Hardly ever lift it up. I don't know. See how dirty it is.
Not much there. So what is it?
V8.
V8 Ford Turbo?
No.
Natural.
Natural.
V8. Okay. So
Yep.
where did they get their V8s from Porsche?
I don't know whether it's a mixture of Audi, Volkswagen,
Yeah, so they just borrow. They're not known for.
V8. Yeah, they are. 928s are V8s.
Oh yes, of course. Yeah, righto. But it's not a 928.
No,
It's,
no.
yeah, it's, yeah. 4.8. And it's just factory brakes, but they're monsters.
Yep, everything on this is just factory standard as well.
Yeah. With a serious paint job to match the race car.
Yeah, same colour.
What colour was it originally?
Black.
Oh, it was black.
Yeah, this one was black, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Racetrack, buddy. Let's give it some. Come on. Can't eat the jelly.
You
You
reckon?
can, but you're allowed to.
I'm more worried about hurting that Porsche.
Yeah, that's it. Like this one?
Pete's not nervous. He knows a good panel beater that works on prestige and classic cars. But sorry bud, the Gem is not prestige. And while old, it's not the kind of vintage Ron specialises in. All good mate, I know my way around a tub of bog.
Full speed is still at pit entry speed.
No, I was going to say, yeah. Giving it all it's got, and you still now need a break.
That's funny.
Huge thanks to Charlie for being our Grassroots Garage stunt driver for the day. From what Ron tells us, he's not bad with a spray gun either. That wraps up this episode. Thanks so much for watching. You can follow us at all our socials at Grassroots Garage. And make sure you check out Ron's Instagram, Speed0023. And of course, Mark at the Toy Corolla. Once again, thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next one.